Okay, let's go. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out today, this is called PinForge. That's meaningless. Even the part they have here, two sellers, the same coloring book, one gets 47 views a month and the other gets 11,000, and the difference isn't the product. But the real thing is turn the printables you sell. So I guess that's books too, PDFs, but also think of things on Etsy, that kind of stuff. So printables, pictures. I did another product just earlier that was all about making different things for Etsy. So flashcards, mugs, bibs, all that kind of stuff. So picture the printables you're selling turn into Pinterest-ready pins with the SEO and all the tags and everything that you need to get traffic. And what does traffic mean? Dramatically, or let's say more sales. I hate to make it into a big thing, but it could be a big thing for you. So if you already have products and you're already printable kind of stuff, and you're going, hey, how do I get more traffic? Well, you can make 1,000 more posts. That's one way. And the other is through this, which is a $14.95 product that's going. Oh, I'll quickly mention. Okay, so you're on this video. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my blog post about PinForge. You scroll, there's a bit of a picture there. You click that and you're at this page. You scroll down, a bit about what it does, a bit about the bonuses that are added if you buy it through me, and then the upgrade offers, and then there's a link. Click the link, boom, you're at this page. So here you go. Let's see, let's have a quick look. Not through this part. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. You get more traffic. Here we go. Look at this. Upload printables. This is the inside. This is really looking inside. So I'm going to scroll up a little bit more to give you a better look at it. Yeah, about there. Maybe there. Okay. So here, upload printables. So you can picture coloring pages, that kind of stuff. Now you can see down here, details. So you got coloring page, cute animal coloring pages. Here's your listing URL on Etsy. What are you going to do after that? Well, let's go down a little further. Oh, I guess they don't show it there. Okay, I've got another one where it shows the whole thing, but here we go. Publish to Pinterest, makes 20 pins for Pinterest. Variations, you can see here the different variations. You get the idea. This is going to bring you people. And this isn't just one, or this is just one. This is one page. So your next page is another post. Your next mug, your next t-shirt, your next PDF, your next PLR offer. You get the idea. It creates a bunch of pins that can be put to a bunch of different boards and have different looks and get different people, different keywords, and you get the idea. You're going to get traffic to it. Again, this is $14.95. I don't have the bottom part of that there. They don't have the bottom part of that there. I'm on the page. I wonder if I can see it a little bit further down. Anyhow, whether you're on Etsy, KDP, wall art seller, there you go. 30 pins, and you can get traffic coming from it. That is the real thing. Drop in your product files, one or a whole folder, walk away with dozens of different pins. All kinds of different things. You never touch a design tool that just does it for you. Ready for Pinterest with the right size, text baked in, never blurry, never cut off. The whole 9 yards is put together. So there's much more than that. I'll let you read through that, but you get the idea. That's why it's called PinForge. Drop in your files, pick your niche and hit generate, which is Forge, and then plant. Export the thing and publish on the planner's schedule. Every pin is an asset that works for years. You get the idea. It is really all put together for you. And some bonuses that come with it. I've already mentioned when you click on to my site, you'll see my bonuses that come with it extra. And again, the whole 9 yards is, let's go down to the bottom of this, $14.95. Let's stop right there. Click the link, come to my site, check it out. And then you can click either the product box at the top, the description with the page, just to showing you how the software looks inside. And then you can click that or the product link at the bottom, take you to this page, $14.95. If you're doing anything that needs more traffic, and you can set it up as a link to a printable, link to a PDF, link to, you get it, that it's a product that you're selling, say on Etsy or things like that. You can put it on Pinterest and get more traffic. And that's going to be well worth $14.95. Click that link, check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called PinForge Fresh out today. Turn the printables you sell into Pinterest-ready pins today. Enjoy.